Hello everyone, welcome to our broadcast room. This is Nancy.
I'm Jessia.
We are from Donghai. Donghai was founded in 1995. It's a modern manufacturer which has concentrated our 25 years on the development of home appliance elements. Our factory located in Jiaxing City, Zhejiang Province. We are one of the suppliers of spare parts. Today we are going to introduce, as you can see, it's a heater tube for washing machine. We have the separate working workshop for washing machine heaters. Our daily output is around 5,000 pieces per day.
Yes, so this production capacity is good. And I think most of you, if you buy this heater, is for your own production, right? Currently, we are supplying these to Electrolux, to Z Group, and also to the Daewoo in Korean. So they buy this material to assemble in their own washing machine. So a reliable, a sufficiency production capacity is important to you, and we can guarantee this. So I believe we are a very good supplier in the washing machine. So in the coming, and Nancy and me will give you more information about how to define a washing machine, what is the difference behind this item. So before this, let's have a closer look at our sample so we can explain to you at the same time. Yes. Amy 帮我们切一下。
At the beginning, I'm going to introduce the tube material. Because, as you know, because the working conditions is quite harsh, the requirement such as the tube can be used alkaline water, salt water, so the requirement for the tube material is very strict. But most our customers ask for is stainless steel 304. All of this we show you is 304 material. Some our customer also needs a nickel plate. If we can make it, it's up to you. If you need, for now our mass production is the tube of coating thickness is 15 micromillimeter.
Yes, so except for the material and the coating thickness, actually the process has difference. As you can see, this is stainless steel and they look bright, right? And this one is similar as the brown and green-brown color because the annealing is different. And for this, we might do the bright annealing, and some of them we might add one more polishing process on the surface, so they will look more bright. And this one, and we just do the normal annealing, so we don't have any polishing. So it also depends on client's requirement, and this process will affect the price. So next time when you get offer from others, you have to consult them these details and compare at the same position. And the next one I'd like to share is the, as you can see, this one actually it has a compaction process, and actually all of them have, but this compaction process is different. If you have sample, or you can see from this camera, actually you can see they have do the compaction from these both sides. both sides. So why need this compaction process? Because when you bending these tube, the MgO inside actually will have some small cracks, and it might lead to defeat quality problem. So in order to let the heater have longer lifetime and the quality is good, so we will do this compaction process on every unit. So you can see with this process, actually we don't have many we don't have many problems in the lifetime of our washing machine. So Nancy will give you more information about what tests we will do before outgoing.
Yes, except the above mentioned process, we are concerned about the basic test requirement, such as high pour test. If the tube shows 1,950 wattage, this one. If the tube shows 1,950 wattage, as you can see, at cold condition, at least 1,650 wattage per 2 seconds, and the cut-off current is 5 milliampere. And at the energy at 242 wattage, the leakage current should be 0.1 milliampere max. And about the insulation resistance, we have to at least up to 120 ohm.
Yes, so except for the text, there's another 2 points we'd like to share. It's about the components. As you can see, it has the gasket, rubber, and NTC and thermal fuse inside. So first, for the thermal fuse, you can't see it because it's inside this tube, but you can recognize by the marking here. We have the marking for every thermal fuse. So you can, if you see the marking, then you will know, oh, it has thermal fuse inside. And about the NTC, yes, like this one, it has the NTC here. This has NTC. So it's different because the requirement from client is different, but we can support NTC. The last point is the gasket. So this rubber gasket actually is it has a critical requirement on the sides because it have to fit exactly between this upper flange and the lower flange. Yes, the upper and lower flange. Also the harness, because if the gasket is not good, then it will lead to the water leakage problem. Actually, it's a very severe quality problem, and we have solved this problem. We have found a very good solution. So this problem is not a problem for us. Also, our gasket is also glue-free. So we have a good treatment on the surface.
Yes, and our gasket have to go free. And about other, Jessia mentioned the flange. For our mass production for now, we request the hardness of the flange should be up to 145.
Yes, and I just show you the marking, right? So normally they will ask to stamp the manufacturer name, we have DHDH and the voltage and the power, and maybe some of them they will need to stamp the material. We can do, and this is the part number, and we have VDE for this heater.
Yes, we have a good approved of rules.
Yes, so I believe this is the brief information for this washing machine, and so we include from several aspects, right, like the material and for the gasket and for the thermal fuse and the flange. I hope you have a better understanding on this item. And next, we will show you about 1 minute longer the company video. So, and after that we will come to the Q&A time, and you will learn some information about this item. So let's start with the company video.
See you later.
Hello, welcome back. So you just saw a small video shows, yes, what products we can produce. Actually, it's more than what you saw just now, right? So in the coming 10 days, actually we have many live streams will explain this product. So if you're interested, please follow us. So here we have come to the last part, is the Q&A part. So let me give you some information about several frequent asked questions, so you will know more about this washing machine heater. And the first one is, you may wonder what material we can produce, right? And we, as we just explained, and we have stainless steel and ink alloy. And stainless steel, normally we have two materials, 304 and 316L. And if you want A00, yes, no problem. Or ink alloy A40, just tell us, we can produce as your requirement. The next question is, what resistance wire we use inside? It also depends on your requirement. Yes, some different customers have different requirements, but normally we use the OCR25 AL5, the aluminum, yes, the aluminum material. You can see very clear. Next one is, yeah, you may interest most is, what is the price, right? Actually, for the price, because we are OEM, So it's not a fixed price. It all depends on your drawing. So please give me drawing or send me sample. Yes, you can go to visit our website. We have topheater.com. So you can see our contact information and our phone number and our address, and try to send us the drawing or samples. Then my engineer will help you. So the next is, what is the MOQ? So it also depends on the model drawing. Maybe some of them we already have the mold, so maybe the MOQ we can support is less, but some of them we might need to invest on the mold first. Then we will suggest maybe 5,000 units, because you know, if you buy one batch from China, the transportation fee, and also you have fees at your destination place, right? So this fee is fixed. So if you buy more, then this cost can be amortized, then the unit cost will be lower. It's also benefit for you. So I think this is the 4 questions. Maybe it will help you understanding to start our business between us, well, what you should do and what I can offer. So this live stream about washing machine will finish here, and the coming live stream will start, I think it's about 45 minutes later. And yes, it's about the cartridge heater. So, and please keep follow us, and we'll see you later. Goodbye.